Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80D06809 on Windows 11 PC. In case you trying to update or install any app through Microsoft Store and you find this one error, looks like something went wrong, we are unable we are not able to install the app, and error code here you will find 0x80D06809. To fix this issue, first open the store app. For that, click on the start button, then search for a store, and then click on the Microsoft Store. Under Microsoft Store, head mouse over this one profile icon and click on this one, and then sign out and then sign in and restart your PC and try to install or update any app through Microsoft Store. In case it does not solve this issue, you need to reset Microsoft Store. For that, right click on this one start button and here click on terminal. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. Once terminal app opens, you need to issue the command ws reset a space hyphen I and then press enter on the keyboard. I will put all these commands in this one video description. So in case you need it, you can copy it from there. After this one issuing command, it will take you few minutes and it will reset Microsoft Store as well as delete all the cache from the store app. After that, restart your PC and try to update or install any app through Microsoft Store. In case it does not solve, again right click on the start button and select here terminal admin. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. Here you need to copy and paste this one command from this one video description that says dism online clean up emails restore health. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This may take around 15 minutes. After completing this one command, again restart your PC and hopefully this command will repair all the system files including files related to Microsoft Store. In case this one does not help you, click on this one start button and then select here settings. Under settings, click on this one system in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and click on this one recovery. Here you will find fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. That means without deleting any files, folders, settings or apps. This will fix the issue. Just click on this one reinstall now button and your Windows 11 will restart, and if required it will download the good one file from this one Microsoft Store and will fix the all types of issues including issues in Microsoft Store. That's all about this video. See you in the next video. Bye.